Welcome to today's edition of Crypto Corner at InvestorIdeas.com. News on what's driving the cryptocurrency market. Hey everyone, this is Sam Mowers here, and welcome to episode 477 of the Crypto Corner podcast. For news today, Bitcoin is back above $16,000 following a choppy weekend. Bitcoin Cash has gone through a hard fork. Galaxy Digital has reported its Q3 financials, and PayPal's crypto services have pushed ItBit to daily trading volumes of $25 million. But just before we jump into today's show, a quick reminder that if you enjoy this podcast, please feel free to share it or leave us a review. And while you're at it, I recommend checking out some of the other podcasts on InvestorIdeas.com. This includes the Cannabis Podcast, as well as the Clean Tech and Climate Change Podcast. Both of those will bring you up to speed on the latest stock news and trends in their respective spaces. So after sinking below $16,000 for much of the past weekend, Bitcoin recovered late on Sunday and is currently trading for about $16,470. That is according to data from CoinMarketCap. Shortly after reclaiming a trading price above $16K, Mike McGlone, the senior commodity strategist at Bloomberg Intelligence, made the case in a tweet for further growth if Bitcoin reaches $20,000. Again, quote, $20,000 Bitcoin is primary hurdle towards $1 trillion market cap. The digital version of gold, but with more limited supply and a history of adding zeros, appears to be in an early price discovery stage and may simply continue its ascent in 2021. Mainstream adoption is rising. End quote. The Bitcoin Cash network has split into two different blockchains, Bitcoin Cash Node, or BCHN, and Bitcoin ABC, or BCHA. That is according to a report from Cointelegraph. The report also indicates that the former is the favored blockchain, that's Bitcoin Cash Node, as miners have mined roughly 27 blocks for Bitcoin Cash Node and none for Bitcoin ABC. Furthermore, Grayscale Bitcoin Cash Trust, which trades on the OTC under the ticker symbol BCHG, since the announcement of this hard fork, has seen a drop of $1.6 million in the value of its assets under management in the span of time from November 9th to November 13th. Galaxy Digital Holdings Limited, which trades on the TSX under the ticker symbol GLXY, has reported its third quarter 2020 financial results. Highlights there include Galaxy Digital Trading, or GDT, achieving the best quarter in its history, boasting trading volume of around $1.4 billion, in part attributed to the growth of its crypto derivatives business. Michael Novogratz, the founder and CEO of Galaxy Digital, said, quote, Galaxy Digital made progress across our business lines in the third quarter, including record volumes in our trading business. We've taken several key steps forward in the second half of 2020, including making critical senior hires, expanding our capital base, and completing strategic actions to position Galaxy Digital for the clear incoming wave of institutional adoption ahead of digital assets and blockchain solutions by investors, corporates, and governments. End quote. In under a month of offering crypto services, PayPal, which trades on the Nasdaq under the ticker symbol PYPL, has reached trading volumes of $25 million, or 85% of industry giant Binance US, according to a report from Crypto Briefing. Specifically, this is the daily volume on the ItBit exchange from Paxos, with whom PayPal partnered for the former's crypto brokerage service. This is, however, still a far cry from industry leaders Kraken and Coinbase Pro, which post daily trading volumes greater than $500 million, according to the report. But it is still early days for PayPal's crypto services. That does it for today's Crypto Corner. If you would like to be a guest or sponsor for this podcast, contact InvestorIdeas.com. Investor Ideas reminds all listeners to read our disclaimers and disclosures on the InvestorIdeas.com website, and this podcast is not an endorsement to buy products, services, or securities. Investors are reminded all investment involves risk and possible loss in investment. To hear more InvestorIdeas.com podcasts, please visit InvestorIdeas.com/audio. And a reminder, you can also hear our podcasts on Spotify, iTunes, TuneIn, Stitcher, Spreaker.com, iHeartRadio.com, and Google Play Music.